The hunter's tattoo was showing up about an hour to 2 hours early to call time, and just kind of sitting there and having them like painted on my body, which is cool. But I definitely was excited when the days they said it was going to be CGI.
Our initial reaction was, okay, now how are we going to do this? We had to create a realistic looking tattoo that was magically appearing on the actor's arms.
It doesn't appear all at once. It sometimes fades or dissolves on. So you can't do that, obviously, with a makeup effect. It would be very difficult to do on set.
They're trying to push the boundaries of their show and what they've done before, and we really want to help them do that.
We spent some time looking at real tattoos to see how they sit on the surface of the skin and how they kind of bleed into the skin around it and that kind of thing.
We asked that they put a couple of tracking markers on it, which usually consist of, somebody drawing Sharpie dots on somebody's chest.
What those dots do is allow us to see exactly kind of how the skin is stretching and deforming, so we can see exactly where our effect is going to have to go.
And then we set up the look of the tattoo and place it where it's supposed to be.
We integrate that into the scene and make it look as if the tattoo is actually on the skin. If the character is standing right next to a flickering light source, we have to make sure that the flicker intensity is exactly the way it was shot in the scene. We're kind of the last step of the process, and we render it out from there.